Welcome to our full guide on the Bloomberg Terminal for 2025. In this video, we will explore why this tool is considered essential in the finance industry. The Bloomberg Terminal is packed with features, including extensive data, analytics, and tools that help finance professionals make informed decisions. Navigating the interface is intuitive. You can easily customize your layout to suit your preferences and needs. One of the standout features of the Bloomberg Terminal is real-time market data. It alerts you to market movements as they happen. Stay informed with Bloomberg's extensive research and insights. This feature is crucial for anyone looking to stay ahead in the finance world. The Bloomberg Terminal also offers powerful portfolio management tools, making it easy to track and optimize your investments. Communicate seamlessly with peers using Bloomberg's integrated messaging and collaboration features. Enhance your teamwork. For professionals on the go, the Bloomberg Terminal mobile app provides access to critical data wherever you are. Understanding the cost and subscription models is vital. Bloomberg provides several pricing strategies suitable for different users. In conclusion, the Bloomberg Terminal is essential for financial professionals seeking reliable data and insights. Thank you for watching.